Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is dividing rational expressions harder that requires factoring. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. Here we see we're given simplify one rational expression divided by the other. So here we can apply the concept of a fractional division, that is a by b divided by c by d is given by the first fraction as it is, that is a by b. Change the division to multiplication, flip the second fraction, d by c. So we apply this rule, keep it, change it and flip it in our question. So we keep the first rational expression as it is, we change the division to multiplication, flip the second fraction, that is the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator would become the denominator. Now we'll factor wherever possible. Look at the first term, we can pull out a 3 and we're left with x minus 5 inside the parentheses. The denominator can be factored by splitting the middle term, and we write down like this the factors times. Now again we use the split by middle term method. 2x squared minus 8x plus 5x minus 20 divided by x squared minus 5x plus x minus 5. So we write down the first numerator as it is. In the denominator we can club this to as 2x plus 5 times x plus 1. X plus 1. Over here the second denominator turns out to be 2x plus 5 times x minus 4, and the denominator is x minus 5 times x plus 1. This is a 5. So we see what all can be cross cancelled. The x minus 5 cross cancelled with the x minus 5, then 2x plus 5 cancelled with the 2x plus 5, and we're finally left with 3 times x minus 4 divided by x plus 1 times x plus 1. So applying the distributive law, 3x minus 12 on the numerator divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is the final answer and can be seen in option A. Let's try the next question. It says simplify one rational expression divided by the other. Now we'll follow the same rule. Keep the first fraction or the rational expression the way it is, no changes. The next step is to change the division sign to multiplication, putting the dot, flipping the second denominator, that is the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. Now we factor this. This becomes x squared minus x plus 1. In the denominator this can be factored as negative 5x squared plus 20x minus 2x plus 8 times, from here we can pull out a 2x, this is an x squared, yes. So we're left with negative 5x minus 2. The denominator can be factored as negative x squared plus 2x plus x minus 2. The first numerator becomes x minus 1 times x minus 1. In the denominator this can be factored to as negative 5x minus 2 times x minus 4 times 2x negative 5x minus 2 as it is. In the denominator we have left with negative x plus 2 times x minus 1. So now we see what all can be cross cancelled. The negative 5x minus 2 goes away, x minus 1 also goes away. So we are finally left with 2x times x minus 1 all divided by x minus 4 times negative x plus 2. Now applying the distributive law, we get 2x squared minus 2x divided by negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. This is our final answer and can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question. Simplify x minus 2 times negative 4 divided by negative x plus 1 times negative 4 multiplied by flipping the second rational expression. Numerator has become the denominator now. Now let's see what all can be cross cancelled. The negative 4 goes with the negative 4. Then we can cross cancel the negative x plus 1 with the negative x plus 1. Then anything else can be cancelled. Let's write it down. X minus 2, yes, x minus 2 is cancelling with the x minus 2, and we are left with negative x plus 2, that is this term, divided by x plus 1. So this is our final answer and can be seen in option A. I hope dividing rational expressions, the harder ones which requires factoring, is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.